Hi, I'm Anisa, and I'm a residential real estate agent working with Artha Realty. So there's a proverb in Marathi which goes something like "Ghar pahave bandhun ani lagna pahave karun," which loosely translated means that you would encounter the pain and difficulty when you begin the process of building your house and getting married. These are the two milestones as per the proverb. My job, simply put, is to try and ease the journey or process of at least one of these, which is helping you purchase your house. So, this is simply put my job. And I began my career in real estate consulting in Bombay, India in 2001 with CBRE, followed by Insignia Brook. While I was in real estate consulting, I became aware of the different areas of real estate, and I realized that my liking was more in interaction with the clients, trying and understanding their requirements, helping them find the right properties. So I decided to pursue real estate sales and leasing with Knight Frank, where I worked for a couple of years before moving to Dubai in 2005 with my 9-month-old son and my husband. So this is where my journey in Dubai began. And Dubai, at that time, what was known to us was only Dera Dubai and Bar Dubai, and downtown was just about getting started. No one at that time would have actually believed that Dubai would be at the stage that it is now in just 15-20 years. It's nothing short of a miracle for me, and I have witnessed this miracle happening. Dubai real estate has been on an upward trajectory, and with its vision of 2040 and its global appeal, international buyers, international investors are attracted to Dubai real estate market because of the lifestyle, the world-class infrastructure, and of course the tax benefits that they can avail here. So going back to where it all began. So if you look back 15-20 years, probably there was nothing here which would have attracted international investors. But going by the vision of its rulers and the way Dubai has progressed over the last 15-20 years, the city is now ready to welcome international buyers of all sorts because of the premium properties, the value for money investment options, and much more. So I would say that if you just take a look, someone who's been coming to Dubai regularly would vouch for this as well. But even if you've not had access to what Dubai was earlier and what Dubai is now, I would say that Dubai has and will remain a global hub for real estate investment in the near future, and we'll see a lot more increase in real estate buying by international buyers. It'll always maintain itself as a global real estate investment hub. My major milestone is when I began selling Dubai real estate to international clients. The place where the connection began was because I am a frequent traveler to Singapore, US, and this resulted in me being able to understand their needs and the situations where they come from, and their need to actually make money on their real estate investments, and them being able to gain trust and confidence in me because of my experience of being in Dubai for almost 2 decades now, and my experience in real estate for a long time. First thing that I would like to say to anyone looking to start their career in Dubai real estate is to be able to put in a lot of hard work and come into this field only if they have a true passion for being able to help clients with their real estate needs, because these are huge investments. And what is expected of a real estate broker or a real estate consultant is for them to be able to simplify the market. Dubai is a very fast-paced, dynamic real estate market. So the clients expect a real estate consultant to be able to simplify this for them. You know, you have these buyers coming in as your first-time buyers, but if you give them the right service, they will stay with you and they will buy multiple properties with you, and they will refer you their friends and family. So work on building client relationships. One thing that worked for me was my decision to join Artha Realty, and I would say the mentorship that Neeraj provides at Artha, and the freedom that I got by being in Artha. Artha is actually my creative canvas where I have evolved and learned so much, and there's so much of freedom that I have received here. So yeah, but I feel that my journey has just begun, and there's so much more to learn. And of course at Artha it's a motivating day after day. So every day is a motivation, and you feel really happy to come to work. So my advice to everyone is join Artha Realty LLC.